Good morning, students. Welcome to online video class. This is 10th standard chemistry, unit 10, types of chemical reaction lesson. Today we are going to learn about the new topic, ionic product of water and pH scale. Ionic product of water. Today's topic, ionic product of water. Although the pure water is often considered as a non-conductor of electricity, precious, the measurement shows that it is conductors of electricity to little extent. This conductivity of water has resulted from the self-ionization of water. Self-ionization of water. The self-ionization or auto-ionization is a reaction in which two like molecules react to give ions. Two like molecules react to give ions. In this process, the ionization of water, the proton from one water molecule is transferred to another water molecules, leaving behind an OH minus ion. Two like molecules. What are the like molecules? Take two water molecules. One water molecule contains H plus ion, OH minus ion. One H plus ion formed to another water molecule. So formed H3O plus ion. So leaving behind an OH minus ion. The proton gets dissolved in water. Protons get dissolved in a water, forming the hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. The water absorb H plus ion, that is proton charge H plus. The proton dissolved in a water molecules to form a hydronium ion. What is the formula hydronium ion? H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion. Take two like molecules. What are the like molecules? Water formula H2O and H2O. So one H2O molecules, each water molecules contain H plus ion, OH minus ion. So one water molecules contain H plus ions, that is proton transferred to another water molecule. So we get H3O plus ion. So water absorbed proton. So formed hydronium ion. What is the formula hydronium? H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion. And leaving behind the OH minus ion. OH minus ion. So two water molecules react each other to form a hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. Hydronium ion formula H3O plus. Hydronium ion formula OH minus ion. OH minus ion. The hydronium ions formed in a strong acid. Hydronium ion is a strong acid and hydroxyl ion is a strong base. Hydronium ion formula H3O plus ion. This is one of the strong acid. Hydroxyl ion formula OH minus. This is strong base. Strong base. So the first they are formed. They react again to produce water. So both are strong acid and strong base. So react again to produce water. Thus it is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction. And attain equilibrium very quickly. So the extent of ionization is very little, and the concentration of the ions produced is also very less. So concentration of the ions produced by also very less. The product of the concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is called ionic product of water. What is ionic product of water? Products, that means multiplication of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is called ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. The product of concentration of the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is called ionic product of water. It is denoted as Kw. Kw. The mathematically expressed as the follows equation. Kw equal to W means water. W means water. K means concentration. Kw equal to H3O plus ion and OH minus ion. Concentration of H3O plus ion and OH minus ion. H3O plus ion may be simply written as the H plus ion. H plus ion. This ionic product of water may be also expressed as the follow the equation. Kw equal to H plus into OH minus. The unit is, the ionic product of water unit is mole square decimeter minus 6. In part one more question, mole square decimeter minus 6. This is unit of ionic product of water. At 25 degrees Celsius, its value of ionic product or value is 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 14. What is the value of ionic product of water? Value 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 14. This is another important one more question. The ionic product of water value 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 14. Once again recall what is ionic product of water. The products of concentration of the reactant, concentration of the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is called ionic product of water. What is the? It is denoted as Kw. Kw. What is the unit of ionic product of water? Mole square decimeter minus 6. What is the value of ionic product of water? 1.00 in 10 to the power minus 14. Let's see another new topic. pH scale. pH scale. All the aqueous solutions may contain hydrogen and hydroxyl ion due to self-ionization of water. In addition to this ionization, substance dissolved in a water also may produce hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. The concentration of the ions decide whether the solution is acidic or basic. pH scale is scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The pH stands for potence. In a German meaning power. German meaning is power. pH stands for potence. It is German meaning is power. The pH notation was devised by the Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909. Who discovered the pH scale? The Danish biochemist scientist Sorensen. The pH scale is a set of number from 0 to 14. The pH scale set contains set number from 0 to 14, which is used to indicate whether a solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Substance. So every solution contains hydrogen ion, and all aqueous solution contains hydrogen ion, hydroxyl ion. So because due to self-ionization of water, addition of some other substance in this water molecules, the substance may be concentration may be increases or decreases. So the solution is the acidic or basic. So this is a solution acidic or basic measured using what scale? pH scale. The pH scale is discovered by in year 1909. The who scientist discovered? Sorensen. The pH scale contains set of numbers from 0 to 14. The 0 to 14 indicates the substance whether in acidic or basic or neutral. The acids have pH less than 7. That means 0 to 6 values are indicates the substance is the acids. Bases have pH value is greater than 7. That means 8 to 14 values are indicates the substance are bases. Another substance here one is that is neutral substance. The neutral solution have pH value is equal to 7. So acids are pH values less than 7, bases are pH values greater than 7, neutral solutions have pH value equal to 7. What is pH? The pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. pH is negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. What is the formula? pH equal to negative sign minus logarithm value 0.10 log 10. Who concentration here? H plus ion, hydrogen ion. So pH equal to minus log base 10 H plus ion minus log the 10 pronounced base 10 log base 10 minus log base 10 H plus ion concentration. This is pH formula. What is pH? pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. Important 2 more question. Let's see some common pH value for the substance. Common acids. HCl, 4% HCl pH value is 0. Stomach acids pH value 1. Lime juice pH value 2. Vinegar pH value 3. orange pH value 3.5, soda and grapes pH value 4, milk, sour milk pH value 4.5, fresh milk pH value 5, human saliva pH value 6 to 8, pure water pH value 7, tomato juice pH value 4.7, 4.7. Let's see another substance pH value. Blood plasma value 7.4, egg white pH value 8, sea water pH value 8, baking soda pH value 9, antacid pH value 10, ammonia water pH value 11, lime water pH value 12, drain cleanser pH value 13, gastric soda 4%, gastric soda formula NaOH. This NaOH 4% NaOH pH value 14, milk of magnesia pH value 10, coffee pH value 5.6, 5.6. These are the some common substance pH value. This is one important one more question. Learn this pH value thoroughly. The pH solution can be determined by using universal indicator. It contains mixture of dyes. It comes from the solution or pH paper. Universal indicator pH color chart here. The color red color contains 4, orange 5, yellow color chart they give the pH value 6. This red, orange, yellow colors indicates the substances are acids. The light green color indicates the substance is a neutral. Dark green, blue, violet colors are indicates the substance is a basis. The universal indicator comes from solution or chart, which is pH paper. The more common method of the measuring pH in a school laboratory by using pH paper. The pH paper contains the mixture of indicators. It shows specific color at the given pH. The color guide is provided with the bottle of the indicator or the strips of paper impregnated with it, which are called pH paper strips. The test solution is tested with the drop of the universal indicator. Drops of the test solution put on the pH paper. The color of the solutions of the pH paper is compared with the color chart. The pH value is read from it. The pH value thus contains the pH values thus obtained are only approximated value. Take pH paper and put on the tested solution. After put the pH paper test solution, the color will be the pH paper color will be changed. This color compared to the color chart of the pH paper. This pH paper indicates the substance is acid or base or neutral substance. This is pH paper. This is color chart of the pH paper. This color chart indicates the substance is acid or base or neutral. Take any one pH paper, dip into the tested solution. After dip the tested solution in a pH paper, the pH paper color definitely changed. So change the color compared to the color chart. If the tested paper is present maybe red color. The red color means the substance is acid. Whereas a green color means dark green color means the substance is a basis. Yellow color means the substance is acid. So the tested pH papers are compared to color chart of the pH paper. So the substance is acid or bases are neutral. Calculate easily. Let's see role on pH in everyday life. First one, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Our body works within a pH range of 7.0 to 8.8, 7.8, 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only the narrow range of the pH change. pH change. Differently, the body fluid have different pH value. For example, pH of blood is ranging from 7.35 to 7.45. Any increases or decreases in this value leads to disease. The pH fluid's constant value 7.35 to 7.45. This value may be increases or decreases mean our body attain diseases. The ideal pH for blood is 7.4, 7.4. So our plants and animals contain certain pH values. That is pH of blood value 7.4, 7.4. Next one, pH our digestion system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produce hydrochloric acid. What is the formula of hydrochloric acid? HCl. Our stomach produce what is the hydrochloric acid. It helps in a digestion of food without warming the stomach. During digestion, the food produce too much acid. This causes pain and irritation. This is called, the stomach contains over acid, so that is called acidity. The pH of stomach fluid approximately 2.0. Our stomach produce what gas? What acid? Hydrochloric acid. It helps to digestion of food without warming the stomach. During indigestion of stomach produce too much of acid. So in this stage it will cause pain and irritation. This is called acidity. So pH of the stomach fluid approximately value is 2.0. Next one, pH change as the cause of tooth decay. pH of the saliva normally range between 6.5 to 7.5. But on saliva pH value 6.5 to 7.5. White enamel coating our teeth. White enamel coating our teeth is the white enamels are called calcium phosphate. The hardest substance in our body. The teeth is our hardest substance in our body. So the white enamel contains calcium phosphate. When the pH of the mouth saliva falls below 5.5, the enamel get weathered. So toothpaste which are generally basic nature. So toothpaste which are generally basic are used for cleansing the teeth that can neutralize the excess acid and prevent the tooth decay. The normal saliva pH value 6.5 to 7.5. This mouth saliva decrease the value of below 5.5 means the enamel get weathered. So the 5.5 value indicate the substance is acid or base. Acid. So generally used our toothpaste contain basic in nature. So used to cleansing the teeth using toothpaste, the excess acids and prevent the excess acids are neutralized. So prevent the tooth decay. So our toothpaste which substance? Basic in nature. The mouth saliva fall this value 5.5 means the substance is acid. The acid get based. Acids are neutralized by using base. What base used? Toothpaste contains base. So easily prevent the tooth decay. Let's see pH of soil. In agriculture, the pH of soil is very important. Citrus fruits require slightly alkaline soil. The citrus fruits are growth only for what type of soil? Alkaline soil. Alkaline means what is already we know what is alkaline. Water soluble bases are called alkaline. So that is base soil. Water soluble bases are called alkaline. So alkaline means base substance. The base soils are required to growth what type of fruits? Citrus fruits. While rice required acidic soil. Rice are growth in what type of soil? Acidic soil. And also sugar can require neutral soil. Sugar canes are growth in what type of soil? Neutral soil. So pH is very important to the growth the plants in a particular plant growth in a particular soil only. Citrus fruits are growth in alkaline soil. Rice growth in acidic soil. Sugar canes are growth in neutral soil. Important one more. These are the important one more question. Note this. Let's see pH of rainwater. The pH of rainwater is approximately 7, which remains that is neutral and also represent is high purity. If the atmospheric air is polluted with oxide gases of sulfur and nitrogen, they get dissolved in a rainwater and make it pH value less than 7. Thus, if the pH of rainwater is less than 7 means, so this acid is called this substance is called acid rain. When acid rain flow into rivers, it's lower the pH of the river water also. What is the rainwater pH value? Approximately 7. So that is substance is neutral substance. This neutral means the rainwater contains high purity. The atmosphere air contain polluted oxide. What type of oxides? Oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen. These substances are dissolved in a rainwater. The pH of the rainwater value less than 7. Less than 7 means the substance is acidic nature. So this acid is called this is called acid rain. The rain dissolved in some acidic substance. So rainwater pH value less than 7. So then it is called acid rain. When acid rains flow into river, it's lower the pH value of the river water also. This is pH of the rainwater. Dear students, learn today's topic. Note the assignment question. First question. Define pH scale. This is answer for pH. Define pH scale. This is pH scale answer. Second question. What is called ionic product of water? And write the formula. So dear children, note the assignment question for your examination. Learn today's topics. Thank you, students.